how to send photos and videos on KakaoTalk. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send photos and videos on KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now open the chat section, tap on chats, and just start a conversation or open the conversation with a friend. Open it. Now, in order to send photos and videos to this specific person, you will see this plus icon right here once you enter the chat section. Just tap on plus and you will see album right here. Tap on album. Now select the photo from your album. Select it. Okay, now once you select the photo, all you have to do is tap on send right here. Your photo has been sent like this. Repeat the same process if you want to send the video. Tap on album and tap on send right here. And that's it. This is how you can send photos and videos on KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.